Today we'll be discussing how to edit fixture blades once they are created. You'll hit the F-Start button here, select the blade that you would like to edit. This brings up the blade in its 2D geometry. This allows you to go to our Modify menu. Maybe you want to offset the sides an additional amount. So let's say we want to offset those an additional 10 thousandths per side. So we would grab these two pieces, offset them, and then maybe we want to change this radius to just a sharper corner or a smaller radius. Let's say we'll go to a 50 thou radius. We'll zoom in, we'll grab this lower blade to here, and grab here to here, and then also linking the tops. A thing to remember is that you have to delete all unused geometry now. So you can use the eraser command. I use the link command. That way there everything gets selected. And then we'll do the same on the other side. And then we'll end the command. Once you have made all of your changes, you'll go back to the fixture menu and then press the one with the end. And that'll end the command, recreating the blade as a solid body, and then asking you, do you want to save the old one or do you want to delete it? We'll just delete this one. And then once we take a look, we can look at it through the end, and we can see this one here now has a different radius and some additional clearance for the part.